BJP leader Yumnam Khemchand Singh became the 13th Chief Minister of Manipur on Wednesday, February 4th, hours after President's rule was revoked in the violence-hit northeastern state. The oath-taking ceremony was held at Lok Bhavan in Imphal, where Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla administered the oath of office and secrecy. With this, Manipur returned to an elected government after nearly 1 year of central rule, which followed the resignation of former Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. 62-year-old Khemchand Singh, as a senior BJP leader, takes charge at times when the state is still recovering from ethnic violence between the Meitei and Kuki communities. In a move aimed at inclusive representation, Nemcha Kipgen from the Kuki community, Dikho Naga of Naga People Front were appointed as Deputy Chief Minister. Konthoujam from the NPP also took oath as a minister. Nemcha Kipgen took oath virtually from New Delhi, while other ministers took oath at Imphal. Speaking after the ceremony, the Chief Minister said the government had held talk with 36 communities group and assured strict action against armed groups disturbing peace. The Manipur Assembly had remained inactive for months after violence erupted on May 3, 2023, leading to at least 260 deaths and the displacement of thousands. President's rule was imposed under Article 356 of the Constitution and remained in force until February 4th. The National Demographic Alliance delegation later met senior BJP leader, claiming majority support to form the government. BJP spokesperson Laimayum Bashant Sharma said a new government would focus on peace and development. Officials say the situation has improved, over 1,000 militants arrested and more than 3,000 weapons recovered. The new government now faces the challenge of restoring trust, maintaining law and order, and ensuring lasting peace in Manipur.